Let's start with a delicious and easy recipe. Take 400 grams of potatoes and cut them into uniform pieces. Now remove the board and heat a frying pan with a generous drizzle of olive oil. Add the potatoes and stir well so that they are all well coated in the oil. Cover the pan and let them fry for a few minutes, until they are lightly browned. Then add a tablespoon of wheat flour and stir again. Add a tablespoon of butter. Stir well until the butter has melted and coats all the potatoes. Leave to fry for another 2 minutes so that the flavors intensify. Now add 200 milliliters of milk and stir until everything is well incorporated. Cover the pan again and cook for 2 minutes. Uncover, stir once more, and now it's time to season. Add salt, thyme, black pepper, and cumin. Stir everything well to spread these incredible flavors. For that final touch, add paprika, grated Parmesan cheese and chili flakes. Stir once more, cover and cook for a few more minutes, until the cheese has melted and everything is creamy. Done. Remove the pan from the heat and get ready to enjoy this delicious dish. If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like it. That way, you won't miss anything new and you'll help us bring you more amazing recipes like this one. See you next time.